Hi everyone, I wanted to show you my new baby fish. These are approximately 3 months old, and now it's been a week and they've had time to settle in. They're not so skittish and they don't tend to hide when I'm sitting by the tank now, whereas before they'd hide and you wouldn't see them. So I thought I'd get my camera out so you can have a good look. As you can see, they're currently nibbling some frozen brine shrimp I've just defrosted and put in the tank, and they're enjoying them quite a lot. I like to give them a mixture of food, so they've got goldfish flakes, brine shrimp, peas and spinach. They're the 4 different foods I give them at the moment. I don't give it all of them in one day. I tend to alternate it. Their main diet is the goldfish flake food, so I can make sure they get all their nutrients that they need. But then I do like to supplement it with the odd bit of spinach and brine shrimp and stuff, just to make sure they're healthy and got a wide range of food in their diet. The one on the left with just red on its back, that's Bubble. The orange one is Marley, and then in a bit you'll see Finn. Finn's the one, there you go, there's Finn with a red face and red on his fins. And like I said, they're approximately 3 months old, and this is how I got the tank set up at first, how it was looking at first. I did change the aquascaping later on, which I'll show you later in the video. There's 2 layers of substrate at the minute. I've got like a very fine sort of sand and very fine gravel mix in the lighter stuff underneath, and then on top I've got this black very tiny gravel. I really like the look of it with the black, but I know over time, because I like to disturb the substrate a lot so I can get any muck out, and also so I can make sure it's all fully aerated so I don't get any anaerobic areas or anything like that. It will all mix up and won't stay looking black like this, but I don't mind. And I've got the really fine stuff because I've had a fish in the past nearly choked to death on a big chunk of gravel. I had to actually hold the fish and get the gravel out with tweezers. So since then I stick to either sand or very fine gravel. And as long as you hoover it well and keep disturbing it, you won't get any problems with pockets of bacteria or anything in there. It's just a case of keeping it clean. And then what I did after they had their food and had a rest for a bit, I redid the aquascaping in the tank. So I've added these 2 pieces of bogwood in the middle. I've still got the I think they're river rocks that I bought from the pet store, which everything's been fully soaked and boiled and rinsed and everything like that. And then I've got the 3 live plants at the back. I don't know what they're called, I'm not a plant expert or anything, but I know the little one on the right, they do really like nibbling on that one. So this is currently what my tank looks like now, and as you can see they're quite happy. I like the fact that they've got lots of places to hide. They like rummaging around in between the rocks and the logs and everything, so they're quite happy with this setup. So yep, that's my little update on my 3 new fish. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.